Hello everyone, welcome to Manny Pagan Travel. I am currently in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and we're gonna check out a really good local spot called La Casita Blanca here in San Juan. So if you want to check out, see how this place is, come and follow me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. So here we sat down already. This is a very local, not too many people know about this place, but it's been blowing up lately. And courtesy of the house, we got bacalaitos here. And we also have sopa de plátano, which is a plantain soup. Let's try it out and see how it is. Amazing, they're amazing. It's great, guys. It tastes very, it's like your grandmother made it. If you're Puerto Rican, you have a grandmother who cooks really well, this is what it's like, the true flavors of Puerto Rico. Here's some of the options that you can order. It's a piña colada, right? It's a parcha. It's great. Look at this, guys. This is amazing. Red snapper, fried red snapper, avocado. Arroz con pastel, así. Oh, it's wonderful. Let's try the chillo frito. A whole pound of it. It's amazing. It's great in flavor. Good seasoning. It's really good. Alright, and this is the famous flan. Here's my wife. Want to try it? How is it? Is it good? Is it bad?
Really good. Wow.
I will have to try. Let's try this. Cheers, as they say. It's good. Tastes just like a Puerto Rican flan should. It's a little thicker in texture. It's not so light like other flans out there. And it's good. All right, so let's talk about it. It was absolutely amazing. I really enjoyed my food. Authentic Puerto Rican. And if you want authentic Puerto Rican, all right, you go to La Casita Blanca in Santurce, San Juan, Puerto Rico, all right? You gotta try it, all right? So, really good. Price, it was pretty expensive. My red snapper was pretty expensive. It was $50. That's for 1 pound. You would usually expect to pay something like that when it's either, you know, a really big skirt steak, or if you're going to have some lobster, I would expect those prices. But at the price point, it was a little expensive, but it was a great experience and something that I would love to try again. So you got my approval. Check it out.